Hi everyone, my name is David Bonilla and I'm going to talk about the dangers in tobacco consumption. First of all, I'm going to give a brief introduction of what is tobacco. Tobacco is considered a very deadly plant containing about 3,000 seeds per plant. Also, tobacco is commonly known to have been grown by Native Indians. Europeans believe that tobacco was a healing plant and that it had been able to cure many health problems such as minor back breaths to cancer. And in addition to that, during the 1600s, tobacco became so popular that it was treated like gold and money for trade. Tobacco is known to have been one of the plants in which many finance companies during the Revolutionary War used as collateral for making financing purposes. Tobacco can damage almost all health orgasms in the body. I'm going to give a little bit of an introduction on what effects can be related to death and addiction. While some tobacco consumers take it as a habit for smoking, it is an addiction that begins with one cigarette to half a pack a day, to one full pack a day, and so on. In addition to that, there are nearly 480,000 deaths each year from the consumption of tobacco in the United States alone. The smoking of cigarettes can increase the risk of death from both men and women. Smoking and consumption of tobacco alone causes the death of smokers that illegal drug use, car accidents, and alcohol use, and firearm deaths. In another topic, tobacco consumption can cause many diseases, such as cardiovascular disease. Smoking and the consumption of tobacco can cause stroke and coronary heart disease, in which the leading cause of death is in the United States. In addition to that, consumption of smoking tobacco can cause blood clots, which can later lead to a heart attack. My grandfather, who is 82, smoked for 40 years and was hospitalized last year due to consumption of smoking and chewing tobacco. He has to take medicine daily in order for him to maintain a stable heart and a certain blood thickness. Smoking can cause orgasm failure such as lung, liver, larynx, esophagus, cervix, bladder, pancreas, and many more. Smoking can also cause skin deterioration and can make someone look older than they actually are. In addition to that, smoking can harm a person's reproductive system, especially women and children. Furthermore, a child can incur low birth weight disease such as sudden infant death syndrome, known as SIDS. Children can die at birth from the consumption of smoking tobacco, and also children can have a higher risk of asthma or other pulmonary diseases. Children can be born with irregular orgasms compared to healthy babies. Smoking or chewing tobacco can cause a person from having healthy teeth and cause them to lose it as well. Many consumers do not know that there are other nicotine products that are less harmful. Electronic cigarettes, smokeless tobacco, or pharmaceutical products which can lower the intake of nicotine are available. Nicotine patches are also available and less expensive in the long run when comparing to purchase of cigarette or tobacco. Now, here's a question on why would smokers quit? I'm going to give you two reasons. They should quit because they are harming their body but are also harming the lives of the people among them through secondhand smoking. Second reason, families who have a family member who smokes should be supportive of their family members while trying to quit smoking. This makes it easier for them to quit and be able to prevent any diseases. A different topic is the cost of tobacco in a lifetime. Believe it or not, if people who smoke actually stop smoking, they can save roughly about $2 million in a lifetime. Smoking is an addiction which people sometimes will do anything to be able to smoke. Smoking should be illegal, just like marijuana, because it actually causes death. In conclusion, today we have talked about the leading causes of tobacco consumption, either by smoking it, chewing it, or secondhand smoking. Even though it is hard for someone to stop smoking, families should consider it on a support system to help their family members stop tobacco use. Smokers should look for other sources of consuming nicotine, which is less than they will consume in the long run. Tobacco is costly both in health and product purchases. Even though tobacco has been around since the beginning of life, it will remain until people actually find a way to exterminate it or stop the growth of it. Eventually, the USDA will find a way to stop cigarette companies from producing these products. If marijuana is illegal, why can't tobacco be illegal as well? Tobacco, unlike marijuana, is actually harmful and does not cure any